You. Oh my. Just kidding, that's not me. That's Ed Sheeran. Not that any of you actually thought that was me. But it sounds pretty close to the Ed Sheeran types of voice. You know. No, I don't. Alright.
Good morning, guys. I'm out and it's still morning. What much better than yesterday of waking up at 1 o'clock, so I just needed some sleep, I guess. But I'm off to my sister's, gonna hang out with her for a little bit, her and Jaden, before she goes to work, because I haven't seen them since last week, because we're on such different schedules. We work the same times, but she works on the days that I'm off and I work the days that she's off, so it's always like I have to go see her before she goes to work. Such a gorgeous day out too. I always make note when it's a really nice day, because it's always like an extra positive to every day when it's beautiful out. What you checking out, Lily? She was checking out my dress. Yeah, my wedding dress came crazy early. I ordered it a week ago, but they did tell me that they had some coming in. So I guess it just so happened that my size and my dress were coming in. So there it is. Yeah, I have to keep it in there. And Josh isn't allowed to look at it at all, obviously. But yeah, I'm excited. It came. It's still a little too early for me to start getting alterations, so I'll just have it for a while until I take it in to get it altered. But apparently I'm a great height for a dress. I don't know, I kept coming in and I kept coming in with the different dresses, and I'm only wearing a small heel because Josh isn't that much taller than me, so I don't want to be crazy tall. So I don't need a lot taken off on the bottom. I don't think I'll need a lot of alterations in general. So, but I'm excited. I can't believe it's here. It's here and there it is. And that's all you guys get to see until May 16, 2015. That's like almost a year away. It's kind of ridiculous, but at least I got it ordered. I think I was very nervous because a lot of people said, like, you should really start looking for your dress a year out. And I did. Like, I was looking, well, like, I was looking 11 months out. And it just so happened that I found a dress at David's Bridal. And I think they move a lot faster because I guess they probably have, like, a huge customer base compared to, like, I did go look at, like, a little private store and stuff like that. And I think those kinds of dresses probably would take longer to come in. But because I happen just to like the dress at David's Bridal a lot more than any other dress I tried on, even at other places, that it just came in fast. So I'm excited.
I found my lady.
Trying to get inside.
There you go, bees.
Thanks, guys.
Date night.
Date night. Hibachi.
Night dates.
Hibachi. Or sushi.
Sushi time. This is our appetizer before our hibachi dinner. Why do I always make you blurry? It's always blurry. Better? No. Look at this amazingness. Chicken and scallops, man. Chicken and scallops. Delicious.
I've got a whole bunch of shrimp.
You got more shrimp upon you. I already get shrimp with it.
I know, but I only wanted shrimp.
What a nerd. You're not gonna dip in your sauces?
I'm gonna try one.
Ugh, they look so gross. We're trying out the new yogurt place. It's called Tasty Turtles. It's all summery and surfboardy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now entering a flip-flop zone. Same thing as Yogurtland, like exactly the same.
Disappointment.
It's horrible. The lever sucks, so you get like 50 gallons. You can't just get
I couldn't even do a taster cup, cause like, and then
imagine if you did do a taster cup.
It would be all over my hands and the ground. Like I couldn't even use the lever.
It's horrible, and it tastes really watery.
The quality of it isn't
really bad. Really, really bad.
As I continue to eat it. I got a lot of toppings though.
It's time for the last episode of Orange is the New Black.
I'm excited we'll be done with it. So I don't have to be scared of people spoiling it for me.
And then you can watch Wilfred.
Wilfred! Oh my god! Wilfred! I freaking love that show. Oh, I love that show.
That was the worst yogurt I've ever had in my entire life.
I know, now I'm sick. Either it was the yogurt or the hibachi.
Probably both.
Probably. Josh is eating an apple with his peanut butter. Like, you're like a creeper with that. Can't believe that jar is almost all gone. I don't eat any peanut butter anymore.
We bought it 2
Lily,
months
stop
ago.
meowing. Was it 2 months ago? That was like a month ago.
Like 3 months ago.
Like 4 weeks ago.
You hear your cat?
I know. Oh, here's Lily.
She's a booper. So I'm gonna piss everybody off for this last clip.
Why?
I'm filming vertical style.
Oh. Nobody wants to watch that.
Say goodnight, Lilith. You sassy cat. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Casino afterwards?
This is our story so far.
Please.
This is your favorite
It's my birthday.